Good morning everyone. So for today's video guys, we are going to make orange cranberry smoothie. So I have here 2 orange. It don't have seeds. So we can put it in our blender now. Then we are going to add 1 cup of frozen cranberry. And also we're going to add 1 banana. And of course, add 1 cup of milk that you preferred. And then to make our smoothie sweet, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And if you want it more sweeter, then you can add more. If not, then you don't have to put 3 tablespoons.
And we're gonna see if it's good or not. If we like it, then we will have it anytime. So, do you think it's cranberry with smoothie? Of course. I hope so. Let's figure it out. Sometimes we just have cranberries in it because it's just my favorite. But cranberries are too dangerous. It's done. Let's put our smoothie into our glass. It is cranberries in it, so it tastes really good and really good. I love it all because this is like our smoothie. What do you think? And now let's put some free cranberries in our smoothie. So it tastes really good now. It tastes really healthy, guys. I hope you like it.